Hi, welcome to Java interview coding questions. Today we'll try to write a Java program on how to compress a given string into the respective format. Guys, if you are able to observe the clearly output, what you can understand, how many number of times a particular character is appeared in the given input string, right? A is appeared for 2 times, so it is A2. B is appeared for 2 times, so it is B2. C is appeared for 3 times, so it is C3. D is appeared for 4 times, it is D4. Okay, so in order to satisfy this kind of requirement, we can go with different kind of approaches. Among those, one kind of approach is a traditional approach, which we discussed earlier videos. Now in this particular video, we'll try to go with the hash mapping technique available in collections of Java language, right? So let me try to take the input string str equal to, I am going to take the same input like this, and then I am going to use map interface where it will store data in the form of key value pairs. So here key, can you guess it? It is going to be a character, means we need to found or you need to count total number of characters of a particular character which is of type integer count, and then I am going to define the variable as data equal to new, and then I am going to build with the help of hash mapping technique, hash map. Okay guys, so in order to identify each and every character, I need to traverse the entire string. So for that I am going to use for loop int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus, right? So while I am traversing, if I am going to encounter a particular character, that particular character is available in the map or not. If it is available, I am going to increment its existing value by 1. If it is not available, I am assuming that it's going to be appeared for the first time. So for that, first you need to identify whether a particular character is there or not. For that, what we can do, we can have a method called contains key is there, right? If data dot contains key is there, which is meant for to check whether a key is available or not, right? What is that key? I need to check str dot caret of I. If it is available, then I need to update its value, right? So how we are going to make it modify? Using put method, data dot put off. What you have to update? You have to update the key. What is that key? str dot caret of I, and then you have to update its value, right? Data dot get of str dot caret of I, that should be incremented by 1. Good. Else, if it is not the case, I am going to update simply by 1. str dot caret of I by 1, right? So we can remove these parentheses also, right? As it is single line of statements. That's it, guys. Finally, after entry traversing, I am going to print the HashMap data, now.println of data, right? So A2, B2, C3 and D4, right? So actually they are asking in this particular format. So now you can do it in many ways. So let me go with the for each, data dot for each of, which is going to take key comma value pairs, key plus value. Right guys, observe, if I am going to execute this, you are going to get A2, B2, C3, D4, right? So print, so that they are going to come in the same line, right? So this is the way you can able to satisfy the given requirement. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.